So guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa store. Ngayon pa lang kami mag-o-open. Mag-unload pa lang si Louie. So, dito na kami sa store. Ayan. Ano na natin? Para open na yung ating. Hi guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. My name is Lovely. So they call us Lovely, and our store is named as Lovely Asian in Filipino Goods. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang aming store is, we opened our store last October 8, 2022. So 2 years na ang aming store, and we are selling Filipino goods, groceries, merchandise, and etc. I'm gonna say etc. kasi we have a mixed products. It's kind of variety products, and also we are selling frozen goods. So for today's video, we're going to stock yung mga pinikap naming products sa supplier today. So let's go. So after ma-unload ni Louie, ang gagawin ko naman is magpa-pricing ako guys. So iko-costing ko siya, iko-compare ko yung price, yung dating dumating, yung old stock or old prices that we have, iko-compare ko siya. Then pag may changes ng prices, for example, minsan nag-increase ng price ng supplier, so i-increase ko rin yung price ng products. So in case naman na nakuha ko siya ng mas mura, so ibababa ko naman yung price ng product. So ganun yung bali yung ginagawa ko, kasi minsan mataas yung products, yung price ng products. For example, medyo nahihirapan siguro sila, at depende rin siguro sa kanilang expenses and shipment. So yun yung kalakaran sa pagko-costing ko. And my costing is according to my how much I bought the products from the customer. And I'm gonna tell and I will gonna explain to you guys na we are just small business. So yun yung pagkakaiba pag mga big supermarket ang bibilihan nyo. As you can see, mako-compare nyo na mas mura sila compare sa amin, kasi we are just a small retailer. Like ang mga big companies or big groceries, they can buy it in a bulk. So that's why they can sell it at a cheaper price, kasi they're gonna have a discount. For example, they get the product from the suppliers like 10 boxes, so they have, sometimes they have 1 free box. So doon sila bumabawi in compare to us that we are just gonna buy in a box. So medyo mahal yung bili namin sa supplier, para at least alam nyo guys kung bakit nasasabi nyo na bakit mas mahal yung aming paninda compare sa mga big groceries. So yan guys, and we cannot buy na mga bulky, of course, kasi we are just rolling over our capital, and hindi naman siya ganun ka benta. And I'm gonna tell you na it's hard to start up a business, kasi we are a lot of things na i-consider. Marami kaming expenses, as they are telling me, and those people who are encouraging me, because sometimes of course I'm dealing some stress. Having a business like us it's gonna be 3 to 5 years bago kumita. So mostly right now we encounter is more on expenses, kasi whatever we have sales, we gonna buy again for adding some products or other some equipment or some display. So ganyan lang yung mga style namin guys sa pag manage ng business. And right now we are just doing our business like we are just 3 na nagpapalitan. Mostly ang anak ko na si JL ang tumatao sa tindahan after ng school niya. Sa morning naman is my husband, kasi bago siya pumasok, tatao muna siya sa tindahan. Ako naman is more on focus ako sa marketing and ordering, posting, social media. So kaya makikita nyo lagi ako sa social media. I am the one who's doing social media. Silang mag-ama is focus naman sila sa actual operation. So as of now, kami lang munang mag-anak, kasi medyo hindi pa natin kaya. Hopefully, our company will grow para at least makapag-hire tayo. So, balik naman tayo sa aming ginagawang pag-i-stock. So, we are doing stocking na ng mga stock. So, pinare-display ko na ang ating mga bagong kuha sa supplier. So, guys, you can come over here and check out our products. And guys, for those who did not subscribe or follow us. Thank you and have a good day.